Okay, so let's go to the mine tab. The first one is P2P trading. So in P2P trading, it's under the markets. Scroll down, P2P trading. Next up is the GameFi tokens. Okay, GameFi tokens. So I already opened the P2P trading a while ago. So this is the second one. And for the third one, let's go to the specials tab. Okay, specials tab, and we're gonna look for, what is it again? So the villa for the development team. So this is it. Devs need some inspiration. So that's our third one. Have a good day, guys.